So we are still here digging it for Alexx Ekubo. God bless you.
Alexx is my person. Alexx was my guy. Alexx was an angel. Alexx was all heart. Alexx was an Alexx.
My name is Ruth Kajiri.
Okay, so tell us what you know about Alexx and that memorable moment you had with him.
Alexx is an amazing person. He's a sweet soul. He's a friend. When I talk about moments, I don't know. I feel very emotional because all the while he was not available to the public. At least he still made himself available to me. Like I literally want to shop and it will be him. I'm asking, what do I buy? Where do I go? And he still had time to tell me where to go and what to choose. You know, so it's really painful that we're here, but God knows best.
So what do you want the present day youth to emulate from him?
Oh, Alexx is a friend, he's a brother, he's everything that anyone, I mean, in so short a time, you can imagine how much life he has impacted. Tomorrow is not guaranteed, so make good use of your time on earth. And one word to his family, my condolences. Thank you. My name is Abele Okaro on UK.
Okay, ma'am, just tell us one or two words you know about Alexx.
His smile. Captivating, keeps you relaxed. He's a jovial person, he's very warm.
So what's that part of him you want everyone to emulate?
That kindness, that smile, that friendliness, and that love that he emanated.
And word for his family. It is well. Thank you. Just tell us little now about Alexx.
A very kind person, compassionate, and he's very selfless. So we're all going to miss him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, Mama. Yes. So just tell us little about Alexx.
May God rest his soul. I am sure he's. Can you see how bright the
I understand, Mama.
So he's resting in heaven.
Yes, ma. Thank
Voice of Nigeria. This is Uche Nana Maduka, aka Eligwe, the original Igbo girl.
Okay, just tell us what you know about Alexx.
Alexx is amazing. Very jovial person, a brother. Alexx is someone who wants to see everybody smile. Alexx is someone who wants to make sure everybody around him is happy. If you're not happy and Alexx entered this room, the whole environment will change. Alexx is an amazing soul.
So what's that part of him you want us to emulate today?
Kindness. Alexx is a kind person. Let's try and be kind to anybody we meet. No matter who you are, your class, Alexx is that celebrity that will see a gate man. Alexx will make that gate man smile.
So what's your last memory with him when he was here?
There's a day I was at the filling station to buy fuel. I met Alexx and Ike. Alexx bought me fuel a few times. I was so surprised that I have to write it on social media. I'm like, he's my brother. He's from Abia State. I'm from Abia State. We are neighboring town, you know. He's too kind. But because he's an angel, God didn't want him to stay here more and maybe fall off along the way.
Sorry.
Maybe that was why he has to go.
As well. Come here. Come.
Thank you.
As well. Be strong. Thank you so much.
Eddie Watson, he was a great person, really, really great guy.
So what's your last memory with him when he was here? What's that remarkable moment you had with him?
We had a phone call and a lot was said, and I'm not going to talk about it, but I just know that he's a great person, and I want people to always remember that he is or he was a really, really great guy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And welcome.
I'm a genius. Mr. Alexx is a boy I knew from before he made his way into acting. Yes. It's so sad that he's gone. But everything I knew Alexx, I know that he's very respectful, phenomenal. He's an awesome guy. Thank God for that. He has lived a good life. So, do you understand?
Yeah.
He's some other people. Nobody will come.
Yes.
He's a good boy. He's a good man. For somebody that they should take that. God knows best.
Thank you so much.
Alexx is a very sweet soul. Alexx is cheerful. Alex brings light to anywhere he's in. It's quite unfortunate that we are here today, but God knows best.
So what's that part of him you want others to emulate?
I want everybody to know that Alex is a good man. That's the reason why we are here from every corner of the world today, because he's a good man. So we want everyone to emulate his kindness, his selflessness, and his cheerfulness.
Welcome, Mom. Yes, welcome. Cynthia from Voice of Nigeria. Good day, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so may we officially meet you, sir?
My name is Pastor Itrai Godalo.
Okay, just tell us a little impact or a little you know about Alex.
Well, Alex has been phenomenal. A young man who actually took the stage, who has done a lot for his industry. All the comments I've heard about him have been good and excellent comments. He'll be greatly missed. My heart goes out to his parents, his mother, his father, and also his young wife.
So what do you want the present day youth to emulate from him?
To focus on the future, to focus on righteousness, to focus on perfecting their craft, to focus on being great people.
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Yes. And the rain is even entering here. Welcome, Mama. How are you doing? Welcome. Just enter inside, no? You're welcome.
My name is Samson, I'm an actor, and Alex is a friend. We might not be very close. Alex is very calm. He's a very calm individual. He comes on set, and as much as he's very jovial, he knows when to be very serious. So a lot of people think he's not a serious person, but Alex is very serious when it comes to the business. Alex is very, very serious. So that's something I want people to know about him, to remember him for. I'm really sorry that Alex would have to leave you guys this early. He hurt me, he hurt everybody, he hurt every Nigerian and all his fans around the world. And I just want to say, Alex left something that is very remarkable. It is something that I'm sure that the family also knows. I'm sorry that he ended this way, and I just hope that God will find a way to compensate you all. I don't know what to say. I'm just
Thank you, sir.